Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 10 side hustles you can start in 2023 to potentially replace your 9-to-5 job. Thanks to technology and the internet, there are more opportunities to make money online or from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get into the top 10 side hustles for 2023. 10. Freelancing. Freelancing has been on the rise for the past few years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or programmer, there are plenty of opportunities to offer your skills as a freelancer and earn extra income. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easy to find freelance work. 9. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to earn extra income. You can offer your tutoring services on platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Wyzant. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are some of the popular affiliate marketing programs. 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products online without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an e-commerce business without the upfront costs of buying inventory. With dropshipping, you only purchase products from the supplier after you receive an order from a customer. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are popular e-commerce platforms that support dropshipping. 6. Podcasting. Podcasting has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it can be a great way to build an audience and earn income through sponsorships and advertising. You can start a podcast on any topic you're passionate about, and platforms like Anchor and Buzzsprout make it easy to get started. 5. Social media management. If you have a talent for social media marketing, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals looking to grow their online presence. Social media management tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you manage multiple accounts efficiently. 4. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, dog walking or pet sitting can be a great way to earn extra income. With many pet owners working long hours, there is a high demand for these services. You can offer your services on platforms like Rover and Wag. 3. Airbnb hosting. If you have an extra room or property, you can earn extra income by renting it out on Airbnb. This can be a great way to earn passive income if you live in a desirable location. You can also offer experiences on Airbnb, such as guided tours or cooking classes. 2. Photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can offer your services as a freelance photographer. You can take photos for events, businesses, or individuals. Platforms like Shutterstock and Getty Images allow you to sell your photos online and earn a commission for each sale. 1. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can create a course on anything from cooking to coding, and earn passive income from sales. Before you start your side hustle, make sure to do your research, set realistic goals, and develop a plan. You may need to invest time and money up front, but the potential rewards can be worth it in the long run. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which side hustle you're most interested in starting. Thanks for watching.